welcome to this quick card making session. I'm using Power of Hope, the Sentiment and the Lady. I'm using a embossing mat. I'm going to use a piece of cardstock measuring 8 1/4 by 5 1/2. I've got a tag, some washi tape, a bit of glitter, piece of cord string. I'm using Daffodil Delight, a stamping sponge and some Memento ink. So I'm going to take the embossing mat and take my Daffodil Delight and just move all that out the way. Okay. So you could make your own embossing mat, find some ink and holding down the mat, circle motions. There we go. So what you have is a beautiful design. Right, so that's the card done. So we're going to move to our stamping. And we're just going to turn over this sheet so it's clean. Okay, so I'm going to take some washi tape and just put some elements on the tag. Go. Just cut off the excess. I'm going to take my bit of bling. These are all bits of craft products I've found around my craft room, but hopefully you'll be able to find different things around your home craft space that you can do this with. Oh, Goey, come to join us. Okay, so the cat's come on. Just as I'm stamping, he's going to come into shot. That hasn't happened before. Hello, Cohen. I'm not sure what I'm going to do now, other than maybe not record. Come and say hello, Cohen. He's a ragdoll. And he doesn't normally come up when I'm filming, so I think it must be tea time. Hey. Okay, so I'm going to try and keep going with him there. He's realised I have no food. So my stamp hasn't come out particularly well because I got distracted by the cat, but that doesn't matter. I think that, you know, a handmade card is something that isn't always perfect, and you know, it just is a handmade card. Okay, so I've got my bit of string. I'm going to tie a bow for my tag. Oh, he's gone. Thank you, Goen, for coming. And there we go. There's a bow there. So what we're going to do is take the tag and we're going to pop it on here. I think I'm going to make that bow a little smaller to make those longer. There we go. Right. So I'm going to take some dimensionals to raise up. So I'm going to pop this on here. There we go. So a little card made from a few bits and pieces that I found around my craft room. Hope you like it. Thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye.